Situated in Tulum, this small boutique hotel rises between the trees, in which the main concept consisted of preserving 70% of the existing vegetation in order to build around it. By achieving this, every space of the project is always in relation to its natural surroundings. The hotel has 550 square meters lodges formed by a double height room, a mezzanine or tapanco, a terrace, and an indoor-outdoor bathroom. At the back of the lot, the social areas are located with a dining space and yoga pavilion hanging in cantilever over the pool. The main idea of this water element is to be extruded from the ground in between the vegetation. For this reason, 2 old zapote trees were preserved, which look as they were rising from the pool itself. All the project is composed of local materials, as well as low maintenance and natural textures, which provide a warm atmosphere to the buildings. A particular finish found on the walls is chukum, a Mayan stucco characteristic of the region, which uses a tree resin to give its distinctive color, appearance, and durability.